What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of the Narcissists Code. I am your favorite narcissist, Mr. Lee Hammock, aka Mental Healness from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, where you're watching right now, or in podcast form as well. If this is your first time tuning in, I am a diagnosed narcissist. I have narcissistic personality disorder. It is my cross to bear. Now, the point of this channel is to bring awareness to mental health disorders, get more people into therapy, and also in the process validate the victims and survivors of these mental health disorders. Today's episode is going to be about the red flags of narcissists, what to be looking for early on in their relationship. This is relationship wise. It's not doing anything with parents and things like that, because I don't know how to do the red flags of parenting. But here you go, right here, the things to watch out for early in a relationship when you are dealing with a narcissist, and some of these can be applied to later on in a relationship as well. So, red flag number one, on a date, online, anything. Red flag number one: all my exes are crazy. This person, man or woman, or non-binary, all their exes are crazy. Literally all of them. Could they be true, y'all? Could this person have had a string of crazy exes? Yes. But is that true all the time? Most of the time it's not true. Most of the time there's a common denominator in that equation right there, and it is the person that you are speaking with. All my exes are crazy. Huh? Did you make them crazy? Why are all of this person's exes crazy? Think about that. So if you hear that all my exes are crazy, that's not the only form that comes in either, y'all. That can be said in different ways. It can be all my exes are crazy. All my exes have followed similar patterns. It can be people can put it in smart terms as well. But the gist of it is that this person was not the problem in any of their previous relationships ending. That's what this person is saying. I have not been a problem in any of my previous relationships. The problem was them. No accountability, no blame. Sometimes they might say, hey, we both made mistakes, well, we just grew apart. Get references. Sometimes if you're in a small city, or you have people that know this person, ask questions. You know what I mean? Don't just take people at their word. Stop taking people at their word. I'm just a nice person. I'm an empath, and I give people, I'm an empathic person. I'm a caring person. I'm a loving person. I just like to give people the benefit of the doubt. Stop it. People don't deserve the benefit of the doubt because they are people. They have to earn the benefit of the doubt. They have to earn respect. They don't deserve the benefit of the doubt because they are a person. No. Stop being so nice, caring, and loving on a first date with people, or first meeting people. Stop giving all your information up. Stop it. And stop believing everything that comes out of their mouth. All my exes are crazy. Huh? All of them. Why are they? Somebody says that, ask them why they're crazy. Why are all your exes crazy? Did you make them crazy? See what the response is. People are not used to people throwing that question back at them. All my exes are crazy. Okay, cool. That's wild. Like, why are they crazy? Did you make them crazy? See what the answer is. No. I didn't make them crazy. No. I didn't make any of them crazy. They're just all crazy and stuff like that. I was trying my hardest. I gave the relationship everything I had, and they just all ended up crazy. And we had bad breakups at the end. Wasn't my fault though. Nothing was my fault. No accountability. If you hear somebody not taking accountability for the failure in any of their previous relationships, not just one, any of them, that is a red flag. There cannot be a bigger red flag than that. Like that's a red sheet. That is you choose. If you listen to that and you hear that, because that narcissist thinks you are a willing participant in that situation right there. You are choosing to lay in that bed under a red sheet with red blankets and red pillows, and a person with a red shirt laying on top of you, or you laying on top of them. My chair just got lower, y'all. Sorry, I have a switch on the side of this chair. Red flag number two: not providing any references to themselves. Not providing any kind of reference or any kind of information about their past. You are divulging all the information. They are getting to know you. You are not getting to know them. It's a one-way street. You are telling them all the secrets, all your pains, all your dreams and hopes and dreams and goals and fears. What happened to your mama and daddy? Why your parents are divorced? Why what happened to your grandma? Your schooling? Look, y'all. Y'all are literally divulging every single minutia of information. I sound like a preacher, didn't I? Minutia of information to this person you barely even know. You are like they know they are like, this is not a reciprocal situation right here. They are getting to know you. You are not getting to know them. And you like, and that's one of the terms I hear when I'm doing my one-on-ones. That's one of the terms that is like consistent when you're dealing with a narcissist. I felt like I really never knew this person. I felt like I really never knew them. I feel like I don't know them now. How long y'all been together? 10 years. You don't know them? Nope. Nope. 10 years together, don't know them. Because they are getting to know you. You are getting to know them. So that is red flag number 2. They are getting to know you. You are not getting to know them. Like the information is a one-way street. You are like, they are asking deep, penetrating, personal questions, and you are giving deep, penetrating, personal answers, and you are asking the same questions, and they are giving you yes or no answers. Hey, what happened? What happened with your mom and dad? Like my mom and dad, this is you, y'all. They are asking you this question, like, hey, what happened to your mom and dad? My mom and dad, I mean, they broke up when I was younger, whatever, and they had situations. Whatnot. My mom was cheating on my dad was cheating on my mom, blah 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 blah. And you ask the same question, what about your mom and dad? Oh yeah, they people grow apart. That's the answer you get, and you take it. Like, dang, that's crazy. You just so you got the hard eyes and all kinds of stuff in real life. This is a one-way street, y'all. If you feel like in a relationship, at the beginning of a relationship, or in the middle, or in the end, if you feel like they are getting to know you and you are not getting to know them, that is a red flag of narcissism or toxicity. Take it how you want it. Red flag number 3, and this is a huge red flag right here, y'all. This is a big one. This is one of the main ones right here, y'all. Please listen to this. Please. Moving too quickly. If you feel like you are running through the beginning of this relationship, if you feel like you're moving too quickly, if this person had told you they love you in 2 weeks, the first date, if the person told you I've never felt like this before, I think I love you. Don't look at me weird. That is a red flag. I don't care. I don't believe in love at first sight. I just don't. You can call me what you want. You can say what you want. Hey, you're a narcissist. Of course, you don't love anyway. You know what I mean? But I don't believe in love at first sight. Love at first sight does not exist to me because I feel like you can't love somebody without knowing them. I loved you when I saw you. That's lust. That's lust at first sight. That's appeal at first sight right there. That's being appealing at first sight right there. That is not love. That is not love, y'all. I'm sorry. I do not believe in love at first sight. That right there is lust at first sight. If you moving too quickly, hey, I know it's only been 3 weeks, girl, but I love you. No, that person does not love you in 3 weeks. Y'all spending every waking moment together. Take a break. Back up. Put the brakes on it. Tap the brakes. Look, you are a passenger in this vehicle. You are a passenger in this love car. You can tap the brakes. This is like the driver's ed car. You know in the driver's ed car where they have brakes on both sides? You have brake and a steering wheel on your side of the car too. You can tap the brakes if you want to. But too many people get into these relationships because we expect this. We live in such a microwave society that we expect to just go fast, put your hands up and go wee. No, slow down. Tap the brakes. If you're moving too fast, if y'all talk about living together on the first date, second date, 3 weeks in, a month in, that's too quick, y'all. It takes on average. I saw some research a while ago. It might be outdated, but it said it takes on average 90 days to get to know somebody for who they really are. 90 days. It might be more. I hope it's more than that. That's the old stat I saw a long time ago. It said it takes 90 days to get to know somebody. 90 days is still not enough for me. I don't know. I'm a narcissist, y'all. I move fast. I'm gonna tell you I love you quick. I love you, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna say it quick. I know speed is the weapon of a narcissist, y'all. Speed. I say this all the time. Speed is the weapon of a narcissist. Because a narcissist wants to move fast because they feel like if you really get to know them, if you really get to know them, you won't like them. You won't care about them. You won't love them. So speed is the weapon of a narcissist. They want to love bomb you. They want to meet your parents. They want to have you meet their parents. They want to go house shopping really quick. You want to go apartment shopping really quick. You want to spend every single waking moment together. Meet the kids really quick. Slow down. Tap the brakes. And if you tap the brakes in a relationship, if you decide, hey, I think we're moving too fast. Can we slow down a little bit? If they push back on you, that is a red flag. If you say, hey, can we slow down a little bit? We can move a little too fast. If they say, look, you want to slow down? Why do you want to slow down for? Like, you need to let life happen. You don't want to get it in the way of love. That's what's wrong with this generation this day. People want to slow down happiness. People want to slow down things. Like, I don't know. If you want to slow down, I don't get it. Why do you want to slow down? Does this feel right to you? Does everything feel right to you? And then you say, yes, it feels right to me. And it's like, cool, then why you want to slow down then? You're right. Let's not slow down. Got you. got your ass. You didn't want to slow down. You didn't want to put that boundary down at first. They got you. They didn't talk you out of one of your boundaries early in the relationship. So guess what guess what that's setting a pattern for? Breaking down boundaries later on in your relationship. There's a pattern right there. There's a boundary. You didn't realize there was a boundary right there that you tried to say, let's slow down a little bit. Nope. That's a boundary that just got broke down early in the relationship. That's setting a pattern. That's setting a precedence for your relationship right there. That this person, if they talk enough, if they do enough, they can break down your boundary and get what they want to out of you. Slow it down. A normal person, a normal relationship, a normal healthy person, you can't say the wrong thing to the right person, y'all. You just can't. Well, you can. If you say some evil, hurtful, despicable stuff, you can get them away. But most of the times, you can't say the wrong thing to the right person. Hey, this is how it should go. It's like, hey, can we slow down a little bit? This is moving a little too fast. They should say, I know. It feels kind of fast to be too. I completely understand what you're saying. Let's not move in next week together. I know we only been together for 3 weeks. Let's not move in together. Cool. That's how it should go, y'all. That's literally how it should go. Slow it down. I know you want to show your kids and your parents and your friends. You want to show off your new love of your life in 4 weeks. Look how I told y'all 1 month ago I was single. Now I've been swept off my feet. Slow it down. Why? Slow it down. Slow down. That's all I keep being repetitive, but slow it down. Put that boundary in place, because if you don't, you're literally setting a precedence for later on in your relationship that this person can run over your boundaries. If you tell them to slow down and they don't, that's a precedence for them to run over your boundaries later on in the relationship. So slow it down. Microwave society, everybody wants instant results. Everybody wants instant results, instant love, instant care, instant kids, instant house, instant car, instant financial freedom. Everybody wants we want things so instantaneous and so fast that we run too fast. Like, yo, it is so much easier to miss red flags when you are speeding through it than when you are walking. When you slow down, you can see a red flag. Like, oh, that flag look mighty red right there. If you walking, you can see it. Like, that flag is red as hell right there. But if you running, like, if that flag looked red, but I'm running really fast, so it might have been orange. Got you. Slow down. Just slow down. Speed is the weapon of a narcissist. It just is. It literally just is. Communicate. Red flag. I forgot what I'm on. The next red flag. I think it's 1, 2, 3. Red flag number 4. If I'm wrong, correct me out in the comment section. But I think it's just red flag number 4. They want to email you instead of texting. That's a red flag. I know people are gonna say, well, some people just use their phones for business and stuff like that. Okay. I'm a business person. My phone I have 2 phones. My phone is blowing up. I get people who I want to have my number to text me. I get them my number. Email is such a disconnected form of communication that it is people I've seen. So I'm only saying this is red flag because I've seen so many people in one-on-ones say they caught their significant other cheating through email. Because people don't think they check emails. When you go through somebody's phone, you want to check the text messages. You don't check the emails. A lot of times you just check the text messages, the pictures and stuff like that, the Instagram messages. You don't check the emails. Oh, I ain't think about that Gmail account. They want to email instead of text. I mean, you might be on the side right there. They've told you, like, hey, they told you they've broken up with somebody, but you really are the side person. Hey, I broke up with my ex a couple weeks ago. We are still in limbo right now, but we decided we'd be better apart. We're both dating other people, but don't text me though, because it might be disrespectful to them. Email me. Email is such a disconnected form of communication when you're trying to get to know somebody. I know people are going to disagree with this last part. I know I wrote it down. I'm like, people are going to disagree with this, but I don't care. I've seen too many people get caught up on these emails. Give me your phone number. If they want to email you instead of text you, give me your phone number. Why can't you do that? If you serious, if you free and clear of your old marriage or your old relationship, I should be able to email you. I should be able to text you and call you, right? Cool. Sorry, y'all. I had to switch the camera angle. My camera just died. So I'm going to have to end this video right now. But this is my last red flag anyway. When I come up with some more red flags, I will be certain to put them in my next video. I promise y'all that. Don't pay attention to the ring light in the background right now. I know it's disheartening. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. More red flags to come. If you think of some red flags, put them in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see next on here. I'm doing a video every day for the rest of this month. And then next month, guess what I'm doing next month? Cranking it up to 2 videos a day, 2 podcasts a day. And then I don't know if I'm able to get 3. I don't know if I have enough content to get 3. I'm going to have to start watching some of these other narcissist people these narcissistic personality disorder people, these NPD people, and like dissecting their videos to come up with some new heat for y'all. Well, I can see if I can do that. But y'all, watch these red flags. Please watch the red flags. Please, like email. Like the last one I know got disconnected on, but like email is such a disconnected form of communication. When you're trying to get to know somebody and care about somebody, like, and it's easy to hide emails. Like I have like literally 8 Gmail accounts right now. I have 8 Gmail accounts right now for different businesses, different functions, and things like that. So email is such a disconnected form of communication. That should be a red flag. Why can't you give me your number? Give me a good excuse. Ask out. Stop being afraid to ask people questions. Damn, please stop. That's so annoying. I'm sorry y'all got passionate about this, but please stop. That's so annoying when I see that. Like, I'm so annoying when I see people scared to ask questions at the beginning of a relationship. You can't say the wrong thing to the right person. If you run them off by asking a question, a general question, that person was not meant for you. That person was a lying piece of bleep, 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 bleep. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to another episode of the Narcissist Code. I love y'all so much. I love y'all as much as a narcissist can love. You know, can a narcissist love? Some of y'all say I can't. Some of y'all say I do. So think about that. Why you think about that tonight? Anyways, y'all, really appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank y'all. Peace.